Alright, this is the Hampton Inn Hotel. It's Halloween, and they've started gutting the place. You can see they've piled all the chairs into this little breakfast area and moved out like these shelving units and fireplace and the TV, tearing those out from the wall. And there's a little bit more light in here. I guess since they're restoring it, they're trying to get everybody in the hotel to relocate, find new places to stay. I think they're covering the cost. Anyway, this place is a mess. Holy moly. Yeah, all this stuff will have to be replaced. The general manager, Jay, quoted at least $120,000 to have this stuff restored. I'm sure it'll be a job that lasts for at least a week, probably much longer than that. And all these cars in the parking lot that got flood damage, I wasn't able to jumpstart any of them, and they're getting towed progressively. So everybody has their hands full here. But they've been dropping off coffee and Dunkin' Donuts every morning for people working on this and the tenants. I'm going to work on getting another hotel room. All right.